In the vibrant city of Bharatpur, a dark dimensional rift unleashed a legion of demons, wreaking havoc on the streets. The people, desperate for protection, prayed to their mysterious guardians, the Deshbhakts. These nameless heroes, rumored to possess extraordinary abilities, were the last hope for Bharatpur. As the demons ravaged Bharatpur, the Deshbhakts sprang into action. Led by Captain Moreshwar, the team of superheroes descended upon the city, their presence radiating hope and courage. Vishnu, with his mighty mace, Shiva, with his powerful trident, and Indra, with his indestructible lightning bolts, charged into battle. The tiger of goddess Durga, a majestic creature with eyes ablaze, fought alongside them, its roar thundering through the streets. The demons, taken aback by the sudden arrival of the Deshbhakts, stumbled backward. Bhairavaksha, their leader, snarled and summoned a horde of dark creatures to attack the superheroes. But the Deshbhakts stood firm, their strength and unity unshakable. Vishnu's mace crushed demons with a single blow, while Shiva's trident pierced the darkness, dispelling the shadows. Indra's lightning bolts illuminated the sky, striking down the enemy with precision. The tiger of goddess Durga pounced on the demons, its claws tearing through their ranks. As the battle raged on, the Deshbhakts fought with unwavering determination, their powers complementing each other in perfect harmony. Moreshwar, with his strategic mind, coordinated the team's efforts, directing their attacks with precision. The demons, overwhelmed by the superheroes' might, began to falter. Bhairavaksha, enraged by his army's defeat, charged at the Deshbhakts, but they stood ready. With a combined effort, they struck down the demon lord, banishing him back to the underworld. With the demons vanquished, Bharatpur was saved. The people, grateful and relieved, hailed the Deshbhakts as heroes. The superheroes, humbled by the city's gratitude, vowed to continue protecting India from the forces of darkness. As they stood victorious, their bond and strength a beacon of hope,